Guys, okay, I just want to show you something, guys, okay, about this maths equation lah. Okay, so a lot of maths teachers, right, especially those who are in memang kat dalam tingkatan 1, 2, 3, bukan lah, ini memang tingkatan 4, 5 lah kalau you nak guna ChatGPT kan. Then if you want to insert this equation into a Canva, it's going to be a problem, right? So like these long equations, right? So if you want to type one by one, right, even though you're using the equation editor given, right, it's going to take a long time, right? So imagine you got like 100 questions to do this, right? I don't think so. It's going to be able to make your life easier. So what do we do in Canva? Canva has a Latex equation editor, Latex, right? So what I do is just go to these the apps over here, click on the apps, then you type there latex maths. Okay, so you will see a latex maths lah. So you kind of like you need this this latex maths editor. Just click on it. So once you click on the latex, you can see there's a small thing over here has been created. Then there's a latex formula over here. Okay, so kalau you, let's say for example, you nak insert this equation and you're lazy to type this equation, right? So you can use ChatGPT to do it. Alright, okay, just go to ChatGPT. So I've done it. But if you ask the ChatGPT, right, can you give me one complex algebra formula to be simplified, right? So memang susah sangat lah kita nak buat macam tu kan, right? If you want to cut and paste it, it won't look nice, right? So what you need to do is you need to type this command here. Please provide the formula for the latex equation. There's gonna be something like this. Okay, something like this. So when you do, just copy the code over here. All right, so after you do this, you just copy the code, you come back to Canva, you just paste the code over here, just paste it. Once you paste it, right, you will see there's a preview thing over here. Just insert it. All right, it's gonna be as easy as this. Sorry for my boy, he's making a lot of noise. So yeah, it's as good. You can resize it as you wish lah. Okay, so this is definitely better than you just cut and paste it, right? If you cut and paste it, it won't look nice. But if you have it like this, it's looking nice. So it's very easy. Just cut and paste it. Let's try another equation, right? Let's try another equation. Okay, let's try another one more. Let's go back to ChatGPT. Then maybe can you give me a complex binomial equation, okay, to be factorized. Okay, so this is the one. Oh, this is a very easy one. All right, you can type this by yourself. You just so this is the one. So we don't want this one. We need another one more step. Another satu lagi step. Please provide the formula for the latex equation. So they're gonna give you something like this. Latex for the formula equation, right? Yeah, copy the code, go back to this one, again click on this one, then you just paste it lah. So you can see you add into the equation. So yeah, that's it lah. It's very simple. You can do many equation from here. Okay, so I'm just gonna simplify your job. Okay, that's all for now. Okay, thank you, bye.